Hey guys, we're here in Norfolk, Virginia. We are picking up some cardboard. This is a lot of cardboard. But, yep, so this is probably gonna be, we only got a half load. Yeah, we got half load empty. But, yep, here's all the cardboard. We're gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, so we just finished up with this first part of this load. Here's what's left. Yep, so that's what we're loading. Hey guys, we're back again. We got an empty trailer load, and we got all this stuff to get. So, yep, so this is a trash removal in Norfolk, Virginia. So this is all we got. We're gonna pick them up by the pallets. That's what we're gonna do. Yep, so I'm gonna turn on the time lapse. Okay, guys, this is what we got. This is all trash that we just picked up. Norfolk, Virginia. Anyway, what would you guys charge for this? All this stuff. 2 loads. Well, like a load and a half, you know, of cardboard. Yep, so we just stacked up these pallets here. Those are not going with us. Anyway, if you like this video, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button. Stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.